Production Machining is proud to introduce our 2020 Emerging Leaders. These talented precision machining professionals under the age of 40 possess strong leadership skills. They are passionate about helping others in the field grow within their skill sets. Here is some advice they give to young people entering the manufacturing field.
If a young person was considering going into manufacturing, I think the biggest advice that I would give them is not to get too focused on one specific area. The manufacturing industry is very cyclical, and so being able to be flexible and do many things is going to give them a lot more security in their job or flexibility in being able to move from job to job.
My advice for any young person considering a career in manufacturing would be to get as much hands-on experience as you can. Learn as much as you can from some of your most experienced employees, and take the time to reach out to as many people within your organization and respective associations as possible. Basically, build a network. I've seen the value my uncle and dad have gained with their networks they've built through PMPA, and that is one resource that we're often tapping for valuable information.
I think the best piece of advice is to ask as many questions as possible and actually listen to the answers. We make assumptions about our understanding of something and we miss out on opportunities to learn something new.
When you're starting out, ask a lot of questions, make notes, keep a journal. There's so many resources out there. It's easy to get information overload. Watch YouTube, do night courses, but keep track of that. Keep your own notes.
Learn from your elders. What I tell my young engineers is to learn one new thing every day. There's so much to learn in the environment of manufacturing. So if you could just absorb one new thing every day, think about how much better you'll be in 20 years from now.
So I'd say something I would say to a prospective young person is that most everything in our lives is manufactured anyway. So manufacturing is going to continue, and there's so many different opportunities in manufacturing. So it's so diverse that they would really get to find their niche doing something they enjoy in manufacturing.
To enter with a willingness to learn, and you will never get bored. Manufacturing is made up of a variety of industries, and manufacturing companies consist of many different departments, which in turn presents a large array of opportunities to suit most any individual's expectations or goals.